Hi, I'm Mubashir Nazar. I help companies get clients on LinkedIn. I am also LinkedIn trainer and coach. In this video, I am going to show you how to download resume from your LinkedIn profile. LinkedIn is a big professional network media in the world, and here you find suitable jobs for you with your qualification. Here you found many professional bodies to share your thoughts. A complete LinkedIn profile can help you connect with opportunities by showcasing your unique professional experiences, skills, and education. In this video, we will totally focus on how you can build resume from your LinkedIn profile. And I will also show you how you can download resume from your LinkedIn profile. So first of all, you just need to click on me section, and after this, you just need to click on view profile, and then you just need to click on more section, and now you can see that. After this, you just need to click on build a resume, and now you just need to click on create from your LinkedIn profile. And after this, you just need to write your job title. For example, I am just writing here the accountant, and then you just need to click on apply, and now you can see that. And if you want to preview your LinkedIn resume, now you can see that. Here just include your certification, license, and now you can see that. And if you want to delete from here, you can also delete all these things. For example, you want no certification like a LinkedIn marketing solution fundamentals show in your LinkedIn resume. So what you need to do, you just need to click on pencil, and from here you can delete. And more things, if you want to delete education from your resume, you just need to click on pencil, and from here you can delete. And same like this education experience you can add or remove according to your requirement. And if you want to preview your resume, so you just need to click on preview. And now you can see that 4 pages are available. It will take 1 or 2 minutes, and after this you can see here, and now you can see that. Now you can see that it includes the summary, experience, education, skills, and all things are available. So you can modify all these things according to your requirement. And here is a more option. From here you can download as a PDF. You can also make a copy, and if you want or delete, so from here you can also delete. So hope you understand how to build resume from your LinkedIn profile. And if you have any question related to this, then I am available here. Thank you for watching this video.